All right, what's up, people? It's Ross Fader back once again after a couple of weeks off. I've got a brand new Rode microphone and a little bit of lighting up there. Should make the streams a little bit better. I've been working on brand new projects for around 2 hours. So I'll take you through some of the ideas I've had so far. And then we've got to clean everything up. So I'll take you through that process. We'll be doing some Amigo kind of tricks and tips, using it for pads, using it for a bunch of different breakbeats, playing with some vocals, effects, mixing down. We're going to do it all in the next little while. So I'll take you through what I originally started working with. Grabbed my Amigo, kind of right here, and put in this classic break. So if I play that just by itself, and we do some nice little variations on that throughout. And I found this awesome Bob Marley vocal, so check this one out.
Long time, we don't have no nice time. Long time, we don't have no nice time. Do you, think about that.
So we've got this classic Amen. And we layer it with the first break. This is our first kind of bass sample. Also took this dark string pad from a Raver's breakbeat sample pack and looped it kind of back and forth with a little bit of a ping pong. So let's have a listen to that. Sounds great in the Amigo. All right, so I'll show you what I've put on these two Amigo channels. What I like to do, you may have seen it in my short clip, take a little bit of Focusrite Red 2 EQ, slight high pass, pump up +4, around that kind of 90. It's a good one. You have to kind of use your ears. So you just play with the dials, use your ears, dial things in. Reduction around 300k, a little bit of extra source around 5k, and that 11-12k mark. Drop back some gain there because I'm going to use this. My favorite, the LA2A tube compressor. Dial that in as well. Get a really nice sounding Amen. Another little pad right about here. Then I stole this a cappella.
I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul. Every day of my life.
We've got this crowd sample looped and sprinkled through the whole tune. Pretty cool, pretty standard crowd loop.
Baby, it's not over.
Time stretches and reverses and stuff like that. And what's the best way to kind of do that? Well, the best way is to just play, record things. So click on your right automation and play it from the start, and wherever you feel like doing something, you click it. That's going to record it, and then you can go back in and clean it up. So let's have a playthrough and see how that kind of works. basically what we got there is a couple little points of automation, and whenever you hit it with your finger, it's always going to be kind of slightly off. And we don't want to kind of overdo it with things as well. The worst thing you can do is have kind of too many little tricks and bells and whistles and stuff, and it will take away from the vibe of the tune. So use things sparingly, but where they make sense, chuck them in.
Long time.
So if you keep the cycle length at 100%, then you can have the stretch button held down and use this as your automation. So the other one that's pretty cool that we can do now, we've got this really long snare roll here. Nice little kind of Akai snare roll. Cool little piece of automation trickery with the Amigo. So now we're opening up all these automation lanes for reversing and stretching and changing the pitch. Go into this, All and J to not hold to the thing. Make them all a little bit shorter. Make sure I've got my gate turned on, and it'll sound like this. Let's listen to kind of what we've done so far. Then I'll edit it together. We can finally get a video out this week. Until next time, peace.
Long time, we don't have no nice time. Long time, we don't have no nice time. Do you, think about that. Think about that. Do you, think about 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 do you, think about
for your mind, your body, and your soul every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul every day of my life.
Do you do dum do yeah? Think about that. Do you do dum do yeah? Think about who 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 you do dum do yeah? Think about.
I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul. Every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul. Every day of my life. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul. Every day of my